What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Finesse Guy, Iggy Diggity. J Diggy 92 coming back at y'all with, clearly as y'all can see, another unboxing, unbagging, whatever. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe for me, join the God Squad if you haven't already. And yeah, man, we got like 3 packages in just one box today. But before we get into that, Booby, you wanna talk? So, it was Booby's birthday. She's 3 pup years old. So, can y'all say happy birthday in the comments? Just say happy birthday, Lola. She's a big dog now. So, she had another present or gift, but she ate it already. So, it wasn't supposed to be eaten. I got her a little rubber ducky, but she decided she didn't like the bill on him, so she ate it off. So, 1 birthday present's destroyed already. But now, so, we can go ahead and get straight into this one. It's actually kind of a surprise that I got one of these, so I'll save it probably for last or whatever. Just because I kind of know what it is and I'm just shocked that I actually have it. So we'll save this one for last. Alright, so the first pack, Booby, I gotta put you right here, okay? The first pack we opening from the homies over at ASOS, as always. Y'all know I really fuck with ASOS. Probably one of my favorite brands or clothing companies to shop with. So I picked up 2 more things from them. So let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so this first thing right here is let's just say an Adidas training shirt, soccer tee, whatever they call it and shit. So it just looks like this right here. Just Adidas logo on the front, side stripes or whatever. Small Adidas logo in the back neck area. I have been working out a little bit, so I'm thinking it should look nice on me, just because my muscles is finally popping sometimes. So I figured by the time summer get here and I can wear this, I'll be swole. So that's the reason I picked this one up. Plus I really like Adidas training shirts and stuff like that. So I picked this one up. Next up, I really don't remember what this, oh, that's what it is. So this right here is actually part of my birthday outfit. My birthday isn't until June, but I try to get the outfit together beforehand. And this is it right here. Like, y'all gonna see the whole fit. Like, oh shit, is this bitch see-through? Damn, it's a little see-through. Y'all gonna see my titty nipples? My titty nipples! But nah, it's just like this all over short sleeve green, like silk feel type of shirt. So I thought it was dope. I have a dope fit in mind for this one, so I figured why not flex for my birthday. Like I said, I've been hitting the gym like pretty much every day. So yeah, I'm kind of pretty excited to see the results by the time my birthday gets here. Alright, so this next package, not really for me, but we gonna still talk about it anyway because I did buy the shit. So so this whole bag is basically for Savage Beauty. I'm just calling it her birthday gift because I'm probably not gonna buy a birthday gift. So this is what it's gonna be. So this is I actually bought her. I bought her a birthday outfit for my birthday, if that makes sense. So this is the one right here. It's probably the only thing I'm gonna show you, just so y'all can see the rest on. I don't know if we're gonna do the video or not. Her channel, whatever. If not, oh the fuck well. But this is like the fit. Like it's supposed to complement my shit. So like it's like green, like my favorite color, so it's supposed to go together. I should have put like a picture of what the full dress looks like. You know what? No, I didn't, because we're supposed to make a video on it. So just be on the lookout for that. If we do it, we do it. If not, I'm pretty sure we not going to. That nigga don't be dropping content for shit. So it is what it is. But I just wanted to show y'all this just because it is like my birthday outfit, like I picked out for her. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna plan my own birthday shit this year. So that's where this came in at. So it's like, I picked up like, I want to say like 6 dresses for her. So she got a trip coming up. So yeah, that's why I picked most of this shit up. So if y'all want to see, for all my female viewers, if y'all want to see how this shit look or how this turned out, just go ahead and watch her channel. Hopefully it drops. If it don't, should expect it by now. But so there's that. This next thing, usually I would save the boxes for last, but I want to save this package right here for last. I opened this already just because I had a few things coming in for my sister, because it is her birthday as well. Well, it was. So her birthday is the day before Lola's. So the 22nd is my sister's birthday. Lola's is the 23rd. So I had bought her some stuff. It hasn't came in yet. So that's the only reason why I had to open this, because I wanted to see which was what. So this is actually my Valentine's Day gift from Savage Beauty. So we can go ahead and get straight into these. So give my initial reaction on these shoes. It's not a Jordan, but by the look of the box, you should know kind of what it is. So let's go ahead and get right into it, man. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's basically the blazers, like the jumbo check blazers. I seen that they have a low pair of these, and I kind of like the low pair, but I didn't know they existed before I told her I wanted these. I was about to buy these myself, but she told me she had got them for me, so shout out to her. It's like I ain't gonna say like a fake off-white, but basically a fake off-white blazer. The only thing I don't like about these is this little stretchy part back here. I wish they'd have kept it, not to say normal, I wish they would have kept the shoe like normal and just made the check big, if that makes sense. Just because I felt like I like the outsole, even though y'all get white blasters. Like I like the raised, like I guess outsole or whatever, to where it's like actual ridges in the shoe and stuff. But the only thing I don't like really is this part right here, and y'all will see the on feet, because I'm gonna do it on feet for these, but that's the only part I really don't like. Just because I wish they'd have kept it like the OG blazer and just made the check bigger, and added this like high rise outsole type thing. But other than that, these are cool. I'll be doing a full review on these, so just be on the lookout for that. Yeah, now that we done got that out the way, we can go ahead and open this shit that I don't know why I have. So if y'all followed me, or y'all seen my you want uppies? Come on. If y'all follow me or y'all seen my tote and carry review, I spoke about this brand. So in light of that, they actually sent me the hoodie I was supposed to get, which is kind of, I ain't gonna say defeating the purpose, but I don't really need this shit, because I mean it's about to get hot, and I wasn't expecting it because I've already got a refund from them. But it's support black colleges. I ordered this black one and a gray one. Hi, little face. I ordered this black one and a gray one, right? So it had been like months, and y'all know pop up ambush. Well, boo, wait, I gotta finish. Can I finish? Can I finish the video, please? Please. All right, so I had ordered this hoodie like, I ain't gonna say a minute ago, but it was Black Friday. Oops. Don't fall. We have some technical difficulties here, folks. Alright, so I ordered this on Black Friday, right? Like I said, they kept in touch with me. They kept sending messages and everything like that. So I was like, I wasn't tripping on them like I was tripping on tote and carry. So with that being said, my order never really updated for these, for like the hoodies and stuff. So since it never updated, I'm just like, yo, I'm not about to get this stuff. And they said it should be shipped out by like the 1st of January and stuff. What is this? By the 1st of January and everything else like that. So I was just like the 5th of January got here and I still ain't got no word on like the hoodie, well, the hoodies. So I'm like, man, I ain't gonna never get this shit, bro. Like, it is what it is. Like, I emailed them, and I'm not about to do the whole token carry where emails flash on the screen and shit. But emailed them. They basically told me, was like, yo, like, it's gonna ship out, you just gotta wait. They basically told me what they had been telling me. So I was like, yeah, that's all cool and stuff, but there's no way this shit getting here by this time. So I just filed like a PayPal claim. So I filed this like the beginning of January. So I filed at the beginning of January. PayPal gave me my money like right back. And so I just went about my day. So I get here and I see it. I was like I had an inkling in my mind, like this is what got sent to me. But I was like, there's no way, because I already got refunded. They said they hit the company up. The company should know already, so it shouldn't be that. And then when I sliced the bag open a little bit and I looked, I was like, oh shit, they actually sent it to me. So my thing is, if you was in my position, would you send this back? Would you just chalk it up to the game and keep it? Because they only sent me the black one. They didn't send me the gray one like I was supposed to get. So I don't know, like, what, if you was in my position, what would you do? Because right now I'm about to chalk it up to the game and keep this motherfucker. Like, I'm about to keep this bitch and wear it with these motherfucking blazers or some shit. So like, just in all honesty, if y'all was in my position, what would y'all do? Would y'all send this back? Like, would you just say, God looked out and I got a free hoodie due to the inconvenience type thing? So just let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it, send it back, whatever. I might just email the company and let them know what's up, just because I don't like, because I mean technically that's like theft, because I kind of just stole because I got free merchandise and it wasn't supposed to be free. So who really knows? But yeah, just leave in the comment section what y'all would do, and we gonna get up out of here, man. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I know this is a little long one just because I had to talk about this shit, but just let me know what y'all would do in this situation. I'm your boy, the Finesse Guy, JDiggy92. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see you.